How are you guys? Are you fine? I hope so. Today we are going to deal with grammar rules in Unit 2, Lesson 1, and the subject is was and were. Let's start. Was. Was can be used with past tense. He, she, it is with was. For example, I was sad. You see the picture of a boy. The boy is feeling worried, so he is sad. So if you are going to change the past form, we say I was sad. So it means that we are going to change the role of is to was. We make the verb to past. So the boy was sad. It's past. He was hungry. You see the kid feels hungry and he showed us a picture of a plate. It shows that he is very hungry. So we are going to change to past. We say was. So was can be used with past tense. So he was very hungry, maybe yesterday or maybe 2 days ago. She was amazing. She was amazing. Maybe yesterday she wore clothes, beautiful clothes. It was blue. You see, the curtain was blue. So here we use it was with these subjects. I, he, she, it. Okay? Negative form of was. So here we go with affirmative and then we are going to change to negative form. I, he, she, it with was. I, he, she, it wasn't. In negative form we say wasn't, and in affirmative form we say was. I was sad. I wasn't sad. He was hungry. He wasn't hungry. She was amazing. She wasn't amazing. It was tiny. It wasn't tiny. So you see, we use it was in affirmative form, wasn't in negative form. Negative generally means not doing or not having this kind of feelings. Were. Were can be used with past tense, just like was. With these subjects, you, we, they, we can use were. Some examples. Number one, you were fat. See the picture of a man and we say you were fat. We were glad means we were excited, very happy. They were quiet. The students here sat calmly inside the class. So with were we can use these three subjects. You, we, they. Affirmative, negative. You, we, they were in affirmative form. You, we, they weren't in negative form. Let's give examples. You were fat. You weren't fat. We were glad. We weren't glad. They were quiet. They weren't quiet. interrogative, positive answer, negative answer. When we say interrogative, we are going to say the question form. Let's show some examples. Was I famous? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Was he a writer? Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Was she a pilot? Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. Was it fantastic? Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Were you excited? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Were we inside? Yes, we were. No, we weren't. Were they calm? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. So here we talked about interrogative form. When you say interrogative form, we mention question mark here. Okay? Was and were should be at the beginning of a sentence when we talk about interrogative form. Okay? Was is here, see, before these 4 subjects. Were is also here before these 3 subjects. And for the answer, was I famous? Yes, I was. We just changed the position. Okay? For no, I wasn't. Okay? Change was to wasn't in negative form. Same. Was he a writer? Yes, he was. Change their place. Change their place for positive answer. Okay? Was she a pilot? Yes, she was. Yes, she was. Why she? Because here we have she. Why was teacher? Because we have was here. Okay? Was it fantastic? Yes, it was. Change their place. For were? Were you excited? Yes, I was. Why here I was? Because when you say were you excited, you ask someone a question, so the person is going to answer by himself. That's why here we say was. If you have were you excited, the answer should be yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Were we inside? Yes, we were. No, we weren't. Were they calm? Here for the answer, just change subject with the verb. Okay? Aziz family. Let's read this passage. In July and August, I was in Kurdistan with my family. It was very hot. It was sunny every day. In July, we were in Duhok. In August, we were in Slimani. It was a great holiday. Let's review. In that lesson, we explained the use of was and were in all forms. We mentioned that was can be used with I, he, she, it. Were can be used with we, you, they. Thanks for watching, and it was the end of a lesson. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. See you. Bye bye.